To my new client and my new friend, I'm writing today to personally thank you for scheduling an appointment to meet with our team about your estate planning needs. We are honored that you would consider us to help you plan for the rest of your life and your legacy. Before we embark on this journey together, I'd like to tell you about myself and why I started modern estate planning, because I believe it's key to understanding that we are unlike any other estate planning law firm. For while you may look at my resume and believe I lived a charmed life, the most interesting parts of anyone's story are the parts that we are taught to keep to ourselves. I am a black man who grew up in a predominantly white community. I internalized my racism and was ashamed of my own skin. I am a gay man who grew up not knowing any gay people. I internalized my homophobia and struggled with the decision to come out. For the majority of my young life, my achievements and the way I acted were an effort to get others to like me. But on the inside, the thought of my true self shamed me. I kept up my facade until I reached a breaking point. I decided to go to South Africa for my junior year of college. There, I was free from my baggage, and I was unapologetically myself for the first time in my life. But when I returned home, I created new secrets for myself. I picked up an abusive boyfriend during my time at law school, someone who reinforced my belief that I would never be enough. It wasn't until I was 26 years old that I finally realized that I had a life worth living. That moment came when I started planning my own estate. As I went through the process myself, I realized that I wanted to be enough. I wanted to live happily for the rest of my life. I wanted to leave a legacy. I quit everything that made me miserable, everything that kept my true self in the shadows, and I finally became the protagonist of my own story. All of these decisions brought me to where I am today. I am unabashedly myself. I am married to the best person I know, and I don't need anyone's approval to live my life. That is what I want most of all for all of our clients. I started modern estate planning because I wanted to build a law firm that recognizes that everyone matters. Estate planning is not about preparing to die. It's about planning to live. If these values resonate with you, then I believe you'll look forward to our journey together as we plan the rest of your life and your legacy. Respectfully, Stephen Scriber.